Here's the absolute truth about app marketing in 2025. 99% of apps fail within their first year. But I'm about to show you the exact strategies to get over 1 million downloads without spending a fortune on ads. Of course, results are never guaranteed. You know what's crazy? Most app creators think that just building a great app is enough. But here's the thing. There are over 5 million apps in app stores right now. Your brilliant idea? It's probably drowning in that ocean of apps. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 proven strategies that will help your app not just survive, but thrive in 2025. These aren't just theories, these are battle-tested techniques that I've personally used to grow multiple apps. Stay until the end because Strategy 7 is a game changer that most developers completely ignore. Let's dive into strategy number 1, the pre-launch power play. Think of your app launch like a movie premiere. You wouldn't release a blockbuster without any buzz, right? The same goes for your app. Start building excitement at least 3 months before launch. Create a landing page that tells your app's story. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just list features. Instead, show how your app solves real problems. Use social proof like, join 5,000 others waiting for the solution to X problem. Pro tip, use AI tools to create engaging teasers about your app's unique features. Share these on social media, but here's the twist. Don't reveal everything. Keep some features under wraps to maintain mystery. Remember, curiosity is your best friend in marketing. Strategy number 2, know your audience like your best friend. This might sound obvious, but you'd be shocked how many developers skip this step. Don't just guess who your users are. Dig deep. Use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to create detailed user personas. Here's a real example. One of my clients thought their fitness app was for college students. After proper research, we discovered their most engaged users were actually busy parents aged 35 to 45. This completely changed their marketing approach and tripled their download rates. Strategy number 3, the ASO advantage. App Store optimization isn't just about keywords anymore. In 2025, it's about creating an emotional connection through your App Store presence. Your app title should include your main keyword, but make it catchy. Instead of fitness tracker app, try Fit Journey, your personal wellness story. Screenshots? Make them tell a story. Show real people using your app in real situations. And here's something most people miss. Update your screenshots seasonally. It shows your app is actively maintained. Strategy number 4, the social media symphony. But wait, don't just post randomly on every platform. Pick 2 platforms where your target audience hangs out most and dominate them. Share behind-the-scenes content, user success stories, and quick tips. Create a content calendar that follows the 80-20 rule. 80% valuable content, 20% promotional. One of my apps gained 50,000 downloads just from a series of helpful TikTok tutorials. Strategy number 5, the engagement engine. Getting downloads is just the beginning. The real challenge? Keeping users hooked. Implement a smart onboarding process that gets users to their aha moment within the first 30 seconds. Use push notifications wisely. Personalize them based on user behavior. One clever trick? Send notifications at times when your users are most likely to engage, based on their past usage patterns. Strategy 6, the review revolution. Reviews can make or break your app. But here's what most developers get wrong. They only ask for reviews after generic positive moments. Instead, identify specific moments of success in your app. When a user achieves something meaningful, that's your golden opportunity to ask for a review. And negative reviews? They're actually gold mines. Respond to them publicly, show you care, and use that feedback to improve. Strategy number 7, the retention recipe. This is the game changer I promised. The secret to keeping users isn't just about having great features. It's about creating habits. Use the hook model. Trigger, action, reward, investment. Example, a reminder notification, trigger, leads to checking the app, action, seeing progress, reward, and inputting more data, investment. This creates a positive feedback loop that keeps users coming back. Let's talk numbers. Apps that implement these strategies see an average retention rate increase of 43% within the first month. But here's the kicker. You need to implement all 7 strategies together. They work like ingredients in a recipe. Miss one, and the whole dish falls flat. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, it is. But here's the truth. The app market is more competitive than ever. In 2025, just having a good app isn't enough. You need a solid marketing strategy to stand out. Common mistakes to avoid: don't try to appeal to everyone. Niche down. Don't spam users with notifications. Provide value. And please, don't ignore your analytics. They're telling you exactly what your users want. Remember, success in app marketing isn't about having the biggest budget. It's about being smart, consistent, and user-focused. These 7 strategies work together to create a marketing machine that not only drives downloads, but keeps users engaged long-term. Want to dive deeper into app marketing? Check out my videos on advanced ASO techniques to help multiply your app's organic downloads. Be sure to like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next videos.